Today's adventure takes us to Paradise Nature Park.
Good morning, welcome to the Paradise Nature Park.
Set in 5 acres of lush tropical gardens, this park plays a host to traditional and exotic animals and plants from around the world. The self-guided tours and daily talks allow you to immerse yourself in the natural world and meet many interesting and unusual species. Parrots, toucans, emus, through to tortoises, rabbits, and rare breeds of pigs. Their collection of miniature animals will definitely delight you, with miniature kuni pigs, pygmy goats, and adorable miniature Mediterranean donkeys. Let's not forget the enchanting orchid house and a tropical fruit orchid where you can see pineapples and dragon fruit growing. Paradise Nature Park is fun for the whole family with something for everyone.